The power of focused discipline. Before we dive into the story of Kabir, it is important to understand why discipline is the foundation of all success. Many people believe that talent or luck determines where you go in life, but those are only tools. Discipline is the hand that guides those tools. Without a disciplined mind, your energy is scattered. Like a light bulb that spreads light everywhere, but cannot burn through paper, an undisciplined mind is dim. However, when you focus your mind, like a magnifying glass focusing sunlight, you create enough power to break through any obstacle. As you listen to this story, pay attention to how Kabir moves from chaos to clarity. Remember, 1. Motivation gets you started. 2. Discipline keeps you growing. 3. Focus ensures you finish. The story, the secret of the steady mind. In a quiet village nestled between the hills, there lived a young boy named Kabir. Everyone knew Kabir was bright, but he had a significant challenge. He lacked concentration. His thoughts were like restless birds, constantly fluttering from one branch to another. Whenever he attempted to study or complete a task, his mind would wander to his phone, his friends, or the games he wanted to play. The father's advice. Observing this, Kabir's father shared a piece of wisdom. "Son," he said, "your mind is like a wild horse. Without a rider to guide it, it will gallop in the wrong direction. But if you master it, that same horse will carry you to any goal you desire." Kabir listened, but he didn't truly understand the weight of those words until he met the master. The lesson of the glass. Kabir's father took him to a wise teacher known as Guruji. After hearing about Kabir's struggle, Guruji handed the boy a small glass filled to the brim with water. "Walk through my garden," Guruji instructed, "but ensure not a single drop touches the ground." Kabir began his walk. However, the garden was full of life. Birds sang loudly, the wind whispered through the trees, and other students were laughing in the distance. Every time Kabir turned his head to see the source of a sound, the water sloshed over the edge. By the time he returned, the glass was nearly empty. The realization. "I couldn't help it," Kabir admitted. The distractions were everywhere. Guruji looked at him kindly. "The glass represents your purpose, and the water is your focus. The noise of the world will always be there, but if you do not discipline your mind to stay fixed on your goal, your potential will drain away." The transformation. This realization changed Kabir. He began a journey of self-discipline. He started with small habits. 1. Consistency. He woke up at the same hour every morning. 2. Boundaries. He strictly limited his screen time. 3. Mindfulness. He practiced 5 minutes of daily meditation to steady his wandering thoughts. It wasn't easy at first. His mind still tried to drift, but each time it did, Kabir gently pulled it back to the present moment. The ultimate test. Months later, a prestigious national competition was held. It required students to solve incredibly difficult problems under intense time pressure. While other students grew anxious and lost their way, Kabir remained still. He treated every problem like the glass of water, one drop, one step, one moment at a time. When the final results were announced, Kabir stood at the top. He had won. He proved that while talent is a gift, discipline is a superpower. Key vocabulary for your Learn English series. 1. Concentration, the action or power of focusing one's attention. 2. Restless, unable to rest or relax as a result of anxiety or boredom. 3. Brim, the top edge of a vessel like a cup or glass. 4. Anxious, feeling worried, nervous, or uneasy. 5. Superpower, an exceptional or extraordinary power. Final thought. Kabir's story reminds us that the greatest victory is the one we win over our own minds. If you found value in this story today, let it be the spark that starts your journey. Subscribe to join our community of learners. Like this video if you're ready to focus, and share it with a friend who needs to hear this today.